靚仔。
Ladies and gentlemen, the kick-off ceremony of 8 to Glory, presented by Lenovo, will now commence.
各位樂賓，另一場盛宴8000開幕儀式現在正式開始。
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for joining us at this very special event. 8 to Glory, presented by Lenovo at the Happy Valley Racecourse. I am Lee Tenang and my partner, Kevin Ma. Kevin!
哇！今日好開心啊！天公造美，可以咧跟住收你入嚟馬場啊！係一個咁特別嘅賽事，成日我都瞓唔着嘅，知唔知啊？呢場比賽係啊！
當時你哋兩原因㗎，不過我同你第一次真係喺馬場咁樣做試以前嘅事。
冇錯，所以今日都會同各位馬迷同球迷一樣咁相當難忘啊！歡迎大家嚟到今日嘅特別賽事，Lenovo呈現8件8色啊！
冇錯。Since June 3rd, Happy Valley Racecourse has hosted Racing World Football Series. Now, the Global Football Tournament enters the quarter-final stage, and whether you are a football fan, racing fan, why not both? I believe that tonight this special 8 to Glory special race could be one of a kind experience in every day.
肯定難忘啊！今晚啊，我由6月開始咧，跑馬地馬場舉行賽馬聯接足球嘅系列活動。全球最矚目嘅足球盛事已經咧啱啱進入咗8強階段啦。無論你係球迷定係馬迷咧，呢場1戰8勝特別賽事都可能係一次難忘嘅體驗。唔得興，事不宜遲，不如喺開始今晚嘅特別賽事之前，我哋立即有請我哋嘅主禮嘉賓為 Lenovo 呈現8戰8勝賽事主持開幕儀式。
好多嘅。Ladies and gentlemen, before we start this special race, may we now invite our officiating guests for the opening ceremony of this special race. 8 to Glory, presented by Lenovo. May we now invite Mr. Winfred Engelbrecht Preskes, Chief Executive Officer of the Hong Kong Jockey Club, to join us.
有請香港賽馬會行政總裁應家柏先生。
Now, let's welcome our 8 jockeys accompanied by 8 pretty women footballers.
好啦，熱烈掌聲準備啦，因為落嚟要請大家一齊歡迎第4場賽事8戰8勝8位騎師，同時有我哋嘅女足成員陪同一齊入場，同大家見面啦！
The first jockey to make an appearance is Joe Moreira, carrying the colors inspired by Spain.
第一位出場騎師身穿靈感原意西班牙色彩嘅彩衣，佢係莫雷拉。
jockey will be Vincent Ho, carrying colors inspired by Argentina.
OK，第二位出場騎師係身穿靈感原自阿根廷色彩嘅彩衣，佢係韓澤堯。
The third jockey is Jerry Chow, carrying the colors inspired by Morocco.
第三位出場嘅騎師係身穿靈感源自摩洛哥嘅色彩嘅彩衣，佢係周俊樂。
The fourth jockey is Zach Burton, carrying the colors inspired by Switzerland.
第四位出場嘅騎師係身穿靈感源自瑞士色彩嘅彩衣，佢係潘頓。
Next up, the fifth jockey is Andrea Assani, carrying the colors inspired by Belgium.
OK，第五位出場嘅騎師係身穿靈感源自比利時色彩嘅彩衣，佢係艾少禮。
Then, now for the sixth jockey, Alexis Badel, carrying the colors inspired by France.
哇！第六位出場騎師身穿靈感源自法國色彩嘅彩衣，班奴。
The seventh jockey will be Matthew Poon, carrying the colors inspired by Norway.
第七位出場騎師身穿靈感源自挪威色彩嘅彩衣，潘明輝。
And last but not least, the eighth jockey, Lyle Hewison, carrying the colors inspired by England.
OK，最後一位出場騎師身穿靈感源自英格蘭色彩嘅彩衣，佢係希威森。
Round of applause for our jockey.
掌聲掌聲，多謝咁多位嘅騎師啊！
Thank you, everyone. Now may we ask Mr. Winfred to step towards the center. And now I would like to also invite Mr. Andrew Harding, Executive Director of Racing of Hong Kong Jockey Club, Mr. Casper Stuswick, Executive Director of Sports Business of the Hong Kong Jockey Club, as well as Mr. Ken Wong, Executive Vice President of Lenovo and President Lenovo Solutions and Services Group, to join the CEO and jockeys for a group photo.
OK，嚟到大合照時候啦，而家有請多位包括有香港賽馬會賽馬事務執行總監阿定安先生、香港賽馬會體育業務執行總監施永傑先生，以及聯想集團執行副總裁及聯想方案服務業務集團總裁黃燕恒先生，有請。
Welcome everyone. Time for a group photo.
呢一張相應該係史無前例啊！
百年難遇啊 Thank you everyone.
Let's climb another one up.
OK， 相差唔多幾遠喎。
冇錯。
咁啊，
now
稍為移步啦。
冇錯。I would like to now ask all officiating guests and jockeys to proceed to the center of the parade ring for the kick-off moment of this special race.
哇！呢個開球儀式都非常特別㗎。我有請咁多位主禮嘉賓同埋8位騎師移步去到馬匹梁上面中間呢個位。咁我哋大家見到佢手持一個足球啦。
To commemorate this special race, we will hold the kick-off moment right after the next group photo.
OK，影張靚相先啊！好，由呢個大鏡咧攞放我哋傳媒嗰邊啦。
Okay, please look at your right-hand side. A big group of photographers are here.
足球聯成賽馬，史無前例嘅一晚啊！OK，影完相落得嚟好。 哇！應該係時候我哋可以呢個入面嘅儀式啊！
Dear guests, jockeys, in a moment you will hear a whistle here, and then on my count, please help me to put all those football into the bed.
將你哋嘅足球咧一齊射入網下嚟。OK， 各位主禮嘉賓及騎師，而家由我哋中間旁證3支聲一響，就一齊施展妙射，一齊將個波踢入龍門。
Okay.